Gear up, let's have a go at level 5 of the Swarm on the Wheelie game. The Wheelie game? I think this here. X-A-N-O-N. Right, what was that exactly? We're off. Pain in the arse these bees, like, to be honest. Oh, I didn't want that. Right, I need at least 2 men. If I get to the Ghost Rider, I do not like it when they just underneath your tyres, man. 2 of them and all. Hey, I'll come for the gas. We'll have to. So I'm going to be stopping them with a freeze button. They didn't change route. I like to see them gone below if they come to a ramp. So that's what they do. Get past this bit, might have a chance. It's alright. Right. I'll leave that one in case I'll get lucky. That one there. Let's follow him up. I think he's going to come across to... Oh, that little get. I'm actually fingers on the right button. There. Oh, he's a big dip, isn't he? Gotta wait for them to dip twice, but 9 times out of 10 you do get past them without having to plan it. But you always get caught out, like, now and again. So if I can, if I've got the time and the space, I will try and time it right. I'll have to get that one. Get up there before they start coming back. Peg it! What if I've gone down there because I know it's a tricky part, this, like. There's one gone. The benefit of getting hit, if there's such word to come with that sentence in every context, is the enemies disappear for that section, and look at that, I'm getting walloped with the ones at tyre length, tyre height. What? No. Get down quick. Right, could do with some gas again. Well, I'm not sure where it is. I've got a feeling this is a dead end. Aye. Hey, where is it? It's gone over here. No, it's not gone over here. Looks like I'm going to lose another man. If I do, I didn't want it because I've hit them. I want it because I've run out of petrol. Because if I hit them, when I return to play again, oh, what a shame. When I return to play again, I will have the same petrol, which is nothing at the minute. Hope for the best. Hope for the best. See what I mean? You get away with it sometimes. Never like bees. I've only been stung once. I was washing the raw chicken out in the kitchen. What else is that? Get fucking burning sting. Pulled my hand out, I thought the fucking bitten chicken bit us. The little wasp crawled out. Get in, I fucking killed the human. Little bastard. Right, it's a break, man. Get up, quick! Oh, come on, you're way past, man. I've got to get the rest of the level done now with this man. Should have waited a bit. I'll leave that. Oh, you thought I was going to jump, didn't you? Get past there. Right, got a feeling that that's a dead end. Oh, he... There'll be a fucking dead end you'll get. Down here. Wait for them two to get past. Petrol? Oh, I missed it. Where we going, where we going? I don't know if I fancy this way. Oh, you little get. Ooh. Right, you recognise that? Longish length. Going straight at the top. Walk that out. Temp would have gone back for that. I think I better. Well, he should be returning now. Fuck that. I usually hoof it, but can ya? Oh, wait. There, try and remember this bit. Bottom. Got no choice. Got to go down the bottom. It's getting warm in the swamp. I've got one of the little blue things for ages. Then they come up here. You get past at the top. Oh no. You get past quick. Oh, that's another one. Tight length and murder. See if I can get him ticed out at the bottom. Who's gone up the top? Oh, he's all over the place. Yes. Can they come up here? Yeah. Let's get it. Don't forget where to go. Easier. Big slot. Oi, 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 oi. Right. Have you played this before? If you've never played this before, that's a Ghost Rider. You're racing them back. He can go through everything. Obviously, he's a ghost. And he also does not. Was he not die? He doesn't change speed, and also he stays at that path. He stays at that path. And I'm gonna run out of petrol. No! We're gonna move on. Oh, you bugger. If I touch him, it's game over. Even if I had 4 men left, it's game over. Obviously, this is my last man, so it doesn't matter. Oh, I get God's sword. Give it some money. So I've got to let him get past. You'll have to wait, son. I'm busy. I'm busy. You'll have to wait. Well, get some out the drawer then. There, the cupboard. Oh, come on. Out. I'm trying to waste that green. Ghost? Oh, I did. Did I? Oh, you way. Oh, away, man. Your mum will open the mechanic down out. That's a dead end. I bet it's a dead end. Oh god. It's a dead end, isn't it? It's got to be. It's a dead end. It's gonna be. I know it's gonna be. It's not. Get in. Brucey bonus. Stay in the bottom. There's a gas here. Got to read back before he collides with us. Shall I risk it? Oh no, get back down. Second level, if I remember. I think this is about 11 you drop down. Right, that's right. Oh, I can't have gone yet. I can't have gone yet. I can't have gone yet. Away, pellet! Oh, God. It's gonna be dead end, isn't it? I don't know. I don't know. No idea. No idea. I got lucky. I didn't. No, I didn't run out of petrol. It's got to be the last stretch, isn't it? Fucking didn't be a dead end, you shit. Yes! Get in! Michael Caine! I haven't some of that. The Swarm. I watched it in Sunderland on a Sunday afternoon. Down High Street End, East Est. 50 pence to get in. The Swarm. Done. Get in. What's number 6? ZX83B. ZX83B. Right, Chase, watch and try.